AI and ML, artificial intelligence, AI, encompasses a realm of technology that enables machines to simulate human intelligence. Machine learning, ML, a subset of AI, focuses on the development of algorithms that allow computers to learn from and make predictions based on data. The various types of machine learning include supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Supervised learning involves training models on labeled datasets, where the algorithm learns to predict outcomes based on input features. Unsupervised learning, on the other hand, deals with unlabeled data, allowing the model to identify patterns and relationships independently. Reinforcement learning employs a feedback mechanism, where agents learn to make decisions by receiving rewards or penalties based on their actions. The working of AI and ML revolves around data, algorithms, and computing power. In essence, data serves as the foundation upon which machine learning models are built. Algorithms process the data, identifying patterns and correlations through statistical techniques. The underlying power of these models lies in the computational capacity to handle vast amounts of data rapidly. This combination allows for the creation of intelligent systems capable of performing tasks ranging from image recognition to natural language processing. Additionally, advances in neural networks, particularly deep learning, have significantly enhanced the capabilities of AI, enabling machines to achieve remarkable performance in complex tasks. Python programming plays a pivotal role in the implementation of AI and machine learning projects. Known for its simplicity and versatility, Python offers a plethora of libraries specifically designed for data analysis and machine learning applications, such as NumPy, Pandas, and scikit-learn. Using these libraries, developers can efficiently manipulate data, implement algorithms, and build predictive models. Furthermore, frameworks like TensorFlow and PyTorch facilitate the development of deep learning models, making it easier to deploy cutting-edge AI solutions. By leveraging Python's extensive community support and resources, developers can quickly prototype and iterate on their projects, ultimately accelerating the journey from concept to application. In practical scenarios, from healthcare diagnostics to stock market predictions, the applications of AI and machine learning are vast and transformative. AI algorithms analyze medical images for early disease detection, while machine learning models improve decision-making in finance by predicting market trends. As businesses continue to harness the power of these technologies, understanding their working mechanisms and applications remains essential for innovation and competitive advantage. Thus, AI and machine learning, bolstered by Python programming, stand at the forefront of technological advancement, reshaping industries and our daily lives.